This is a story about Scotty the elf and Fawydden the fairy, who set out on their journey to Craig-Athena's forest to restore the sacred staff and set free the magic. Through song, dance, and imagination, they will work with the art warriors of Rhondda Cynon and beyond, and restore belief in you, in me, in all of us.